Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 44 of Run the Year 2021, and also day 13 of our 22-day thin stomach challenge, or skinny or slim stomach challenge, whatever you want to call it. We're going to slim this gut down. So we got it in today. You can see I got my assistant there. She's dressed in her red shirt for today because they had Zumba today, which was pink goes red for heart health. So that's why she has a red shirt on for heart health. And again, it's all about your health, right? So let's do it. So what we're doing today is day 13 of that slim our stomach down. And so what we're going to do today is actually like a standing plank, but you're on your knees and you're gonna step out, right? So again, it's really on holding those abs, those lower abs tight while you do it. So with that, we'll get started. The reps are going to be, we're going to do 20 reps at 10 seconds apiece for 3 sets is what we're going to do, right? So where are you going to be there, Sister Lou?
Wait, what are we? Sorry. I'm sorry.
All right, so let's get started.
Yeah,
So
I did the 10
for 10 seconds. 10 seconds, right. So everything's 10, 20 reps. So so what we're going to do is, and I'll demonstrate, you're going to tighten your abs, right? So the transverse abdominis, the pelvic floor, you're going to tighten all that, right? So once it's tight, then all you're going to do is you're going to step out, right? Step out, and then step back, right? So that's all we're going to do. It's just that simple, right? Not a big movement, but if you do it right, you will feel it down in your lower abs, and that's what we're trying to hit. We're trying to slim these out. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let the people come close so they can hear me. You know what? Yesterday, I owe everybody an apology because I was working out so hard. I realized I ripped my shorts, my leggings. So we're good today. Okay.
We got new ones on. Yeah. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do 5 with you guys, and we're going to let you go, and then we'll finish out 15 for our first set, and then we'll do our second and third set. You guys can do yours on your own. Okay, so here we go. Tighten them up and begin.
Which way are we going?
It doesn't matter. Just choose a way. Okay, now let's go back the other way. Okay, that's 10 seconds. We'll take it to the right this time. To the right, to the right.
Go.
Oh. Oh, man. Okay.
1, 2, 1. Okay.
Don't, yeah, there you go. No need to count.
Right,
Yeah.
to the left.
2 to the right, 2 to the left, and begin. Man. Whoo, wearing those abs out. What's this, number 4?
Go.
Go. You went the wrong way.
Yep.
All right, one more. One more, and then we're going to let you guys go.
Right or left?
Going to the right.
Go.
And begin. All right, so that's 5. So we knocked 5 out with you guys. So now go ahead and get your last 15 in, and then that'll complete 1 set, and then you got 2 more sets to do. So we're gonna knock ours out. So again, first of all, I forgot to mention all of our new viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the channel, where we post every day this year for 365 days, where we're gonna do 2,021 miles or more. We got ours in today. So, and the other thing is, if you got some value out of it, if you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that like button down there. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. It won't cost you anything. Okay, guys, we'll talk to you tomorrow. And remember, invest in yourself, invest in your health. Talk to you tomorrow.